Try asking people at Home Depot to help you. Good luck.
Yes. Going up that rocky part reminded me of me. Just keep moving. You're good for now. You're not in my way. You're way far ahead of us, man. Your instructions are wrong. No, I'm watching Chi. Oh, that's fun. Woo! Okay. She's all the way on the left side. Oh yeah, it just flew over. It's fine. Yeah. It's about as big as it. Whoa, sand. What's on the left? Oh, the tree? Keep going. Keep going. Oh no! Yes.
I almost saved it too. Good.
All right. Okay. Be good. Peace out. Go catch up with them. I'll catch up with you. Woo. Because the bugs are swarming him. Ooh, I feel my bike wiggling. It's still pavement, so it's not bad.
Oh shit! What happened? I lost this thing. That's why. How does that even? How is that even possible? I checked it this morning. Of course there was this.
I don't know if you had it today.
No, I had it this morning. I checked. I was like, oh, let me check if it's tight. It's tight.
Clearly it wasn't.
Jump ball actually does a lot. Especially if you have a heavy load too.
Yes, jump ball.
Nothing will help if he falls.
She's stuck.
You and me push this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we keep sliding that way.
Yeah.
Wait, can you?
Straight!
Yep.
Right.
Oh. The carnage over here. Hey kids, I'm coming.
1 hour later.
After about an hour of trying to struggle up this hill and clearly not being able to make it, and along with my bike having starting issues, we decided to turn around and go around this route here.
That's Bill's bike or Cheese?
That's Cheese bike. Okay. Bill already came down. Oh. I was asking you, do you need help? Just say yes or no, and they're like, there's no answer.
I thought you guys said you need help.
No, I said, do you need help?
Oh.
All right, stop paddling it. Just go.
Let's go.
Now that Bill's pannier is actually bent, let's get it fixed.
All right, hack, pull. Yeah. Woo. Let's see if this fits. Did you do it right?
I'm not exactly sure what happened here. I think the camera bumped into time-lapse mode, but we had to hammer the pipe with the flat ends, and then we had to bend the edges so it was similar to the original pipe, and then drill holes into it.
Look. It's like a replica of the part.
Oh,
Painting black.
nice.
Put it back. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
It's a memory.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Look at this bullshit.
Damn.
Wow. Look at that.
How much is that bar?
I think everything cost me about under $15.
Whoa.
With their help.
Whoa, well, hold on. You haven't paid for labor yet.
I know. They helped me.
No. We had to pound this stupid pipe together.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I thought friendship was free.
Friendship is free, but not working on pipes. Yeah, we all get paid because we all do this.
You know what I get?
Well, what do you get?
I'll tell you what I get.
What do you get? What do you get?
When I need a stop, we stop, and you don't yell at me. That is what I get for the whole trip and for the next trip.
You know, actually, that's not bad.
2 whole trips.
This place, it's called the Carr Hardware.
Yeah.
They are definitely helpful. They went above and beyond for us.
Yeah. You gotta go on Yelp and give him a good review.
That's solid. Oh yeah. Look at
Yes.
this. Solid.
Let's keep going. There's no mud. It was a jump. It's a jump. Oh shit.
Me too. I just stopped. Okay, hold on.
I'm stuck in a really weird spot. Oh, keep going.
Oh, I'm stopped. Who's stopped? I am.
You can do it. Just keep going. Don't come back for us. Keep going.
Okay, do you have room up there?
Yeah, you can make it up to where she is at least.
Yeah, but I see your red light. I don't want to stop midway.
I'm not in the road. I'm up the embankment.
Keep going. Yep.
1 sec. I can come down on my own now that you guys have all cleared by.
Whoa.
Go, keep left.
Holy shit.
Yeah, keep left.
Oh, this is not cool.
Oh, what is that? What's up there?
I don't know, but they're fucking scary.
Oh, okay, so there's a transition here.
Holy fuck.
Swing right. Get back over. Get right here and then go straight. We're good. Man, this is steep.
I'll wait for you down there.
So you want me to get Rick first? All right, I'll go first. I volunteer as tribute. I already forgot what I'm supposed to do. Man, it's like a mile away. Mo, you didn't hear anything we said.
No.
So, good luck.
Oh shit.
It's not that bad. Oh. Woo! Woohoo! You say that like I could just do this. It's a lot different now when I'm here. I've already fucked up. Alright, I'm going. Fucking hell.
Or just go and don't stop. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Don't stop. Go straight, don't stop. Nice.
It's not bad for you, Mo. Keep going.
Yeah. Good job. Keep looking ahead. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Nice. Excellent.
Look at this. You get it. Look at that. Good job. Fucking awesome. All right, Bill's turn.
Yeah,
Fucking scary as hell.
I know, it was scary.
No problem.
Whoa, some mud. Stay on to the right. On the left-hand side, it's gonna be mud, so stay on your right. And there's gonna be a big ditch, so just keep on gassing it. Oh shit. The dog's at the end. So keep going. Don't stop.
Oh shit! What a random hole here, jeez. Okay. Dude, keeping left would have been better than that hole.
No, I wouldn't be able to make it.
Oh, but there's mud.
I wouldn't be able to go through the mud.
Oh, that was so easy. That's nothing for you. Ow! Oh, there is a dog. I see him. They're good. Don't worry about the dog. Oh my god, alright. Tons of excitement. Tons of little bitches. Now you know what I'm talking about. Alright, I want to try something cool.
Oh, man, I know what you're gonna do. Spin your tire.
Yeah!
Hold on. Let's get my fuck out of the way.
Yeah, go over this thing. It goes right out. Shit this way. Shit that way. Go down the hill.
It's not gonna roll down.
We don't need to see your ass crack. You just use a leaf. Hey.
It poked my face.
You can use this leaf. Look at how big that leaf is. It's nice.
The challenge is. Oh, you motherfucker. You could go down. It's better, more privacy. Oh, people coming. There's nobody coming.
I see that leaf tickling your ass, Chi.
Oh shit.
Look, right there.
Went down the wrong pipe. Not COVID-19.
No, I thought you inhaled his shit.
Oh, we'll find out later.
Why would you go to like the hardest part?
I don't fucking know, okay? If you got shit on his pants. Oh shit, dude.
Does he actually have shit on his pants?
No, he does not. It's a very natural thing. What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
I think we would all be laughing no matter who it was.
Yes. Which is why my body has turned off the feature of shitting. Alright, off we go. Onwards to more bullshit. Oh, don't fall off the left side, guys. You'll have a bad time. No, don't stay on the right. Stay left. But seriously, don't fall on the left feet. Another bump. There's some big rocks on the left right after the bump. Not to get hit in the eye with like my windshield because it's too high up. Ow, fuck!